Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to turn on Safe Search on Chrome. First thing, just open Chrome, and then once it opens, you tap on the three dots at the top right corner. Scroll down to Settings, tap on it. Scroll down all the way down to Safety Check, tap on it. Then the last option you have is Safe Browsing, tap on it. Now you can turn it on in two ways, through Enhanced Protection and Standard Protection. Now you can choose any one. If you use Enhanced Protection, you get real-time proactive protection against dangerous sites, downloads and extensions that's based on your browsing data getting sent to Google. And if you choose Standard Protection, it protects against site downloads and extensions that are known to be dangerous. When you visit a site, Chrome will send an obfuscated portion of the URL to Google through a privacy server that will hide your IP address. If a site does something suspicious, full URLs and bits of page content are also sent. So you can choose any of these two. Let's say I want Enhanced Protection, tap on it, and that is all it takes to turn on Safe Browsing or Safe Search on Google. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe for more.